Hi there, and thank you for choosing SportLogic to help manage and grow your business. We're excited to have you on board. In this quick walkthrough, we'll guide you through a few simple steps to get you up and running in no time. Whether you're setting up for the first time or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. To begin setting up your system, the first step is to add your venue details. Navigate to Booking from the top menu and then select Venue Settings. As you can see, I currently have several venues listed here. To add your own, simply click Add Venue and enter all the necessary details in the provided fields. In this example, I'm going to name the venue SportLogic Sports Centre. Please ensure that you select an income account for venue hire. This will serve as the default income account for all invoices created for court hires. For example, we'll be selecting court hire as the income account in this demonstration. Similarly, it is important to select an income account for lesson bookings. This setting will apply to invoices generated for private lesson booking. We'll provide more detailed explanations on how to create court bookings and lesson bookings in our upcoming training session. Once you have filled in all the information, click OK to save. After adding your venue, the next step is to configure your courts. You can do this by clicking on Edit Courts. This section allows you to set up the specifics of each playing area within your venue. To add a court, simply click on Add Court. Make sure that the Enabled checkbox is ticked. The Web Booking checkbox is used to enable or disable online court bookings, which we'll discuss in more detail in later training videos. After you have added your courts, click OK to save. Once your venue and courts are set up, the next crucial step is to configure your business details. To update this, go to File, then Config, and select Business Setup. The information you enter here is important as it will appear on your invoices. Providing more complete and accurate information will result in more professional and informative invoices. Once you have entered all your business details, click OK to save. Further invoice settings can be configured from the billing menu. To access these, select Billing and then Set up Invoice. In this section, you have the option to add payment instructions such as your bank details if you wish for clients to make direct payments to your account. Additionally, you can personalize your invoice by adding a logo. To add this, simply click the Browse button and select the image you want to use as your invoice logo. Please ensure the logo is in either PNG or JPG format. Once you have made your selections, click OK to save the settings. The following step is to set up your opening hours. This section allows you to define your operating hours. Go to File, Config, and then Opening Hours Setup. This is important, especially if you intend to use our online booking system for court hire, as these hours will directly affect the availability shown to your customers. Please specify the times your venue is open, particularly for court hire purposes. Next, we will configure Referral Sources. This feature is primarily relevant if you are utilizing our online system to track how customers find your venue. To set up your referral sources, go to File, then Config, and finally Referral Sources. Enter the referral sources. For example, Facebook, Friends, or Google. Hit Enter after entering each referral source and click OK to save the settings. Finally, the last step in this initial setup is to configure your email settings. Our SportLogic software allows you to send emails directly, but first you need to add email profiles. This setup requires you to enter your business name and a valid email address where you can receive replies. To do this, navigate to File, then Config, and select Email Setup. Click Add Profile. In the Your Name field, enter your business name. In the email address field, enter a valid email where replies can be received. Finally, tick the box labeled Use Default Mail Server. By doing this, your emails will be sent through SportLogic's email server. Alternatively, if you prefer to send emails using your own account, like Gmail or Yahoo, untick Use Default Mail Server and enter your provider's specific server settings in this section. As different email providers have unique settings, you will need to obtain this information directly from them. In this example, we will set up the emails with default settings by ticking Use Default Mail Server. Please click OK to save the settings. This concludes the initial setup. Please check our other videos to get started with using SportLogic.